All right, let's look at FAQ number 6 when it comes to using Systemeio. This is going to save you a lot of time and you're going to be more productive, because if you are not organized on how you handle your sales funnel, you are definitely going to miss the point of using a tool like this. Because the essence of using a tool like this is to save you time, help you become more productive so that you can make more money and serve your value to your client, right? But how can you serve your value if you are always confused about what to do? And that leads us to the question of what are the best practices for organizing multiple funnels? I have about 70 funnels. If I keep saving them as demo 3, demo 2, I don't even know like what demo 1 is all about, what demo 2 is all about. So right now, this is not a good way of organizing your funnel, right? All right, guys. So what you want to do is for you to properly label your sales or your landing pages or your funnel in general. Properly label them, because see why I'm saying so. If you do not label them when you're creating them, you don't have opportunity of renaming this funnel anymore. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. Now, for instance, if I want to rename this particular funnel with the name new CSF, see, if I click this button here, I will see view, duplicate, share, and this. See, I can't even name them, right? One of the best things you want to do for yourself right now is to name your funnel properly, right? Ideally, you want to name them properly when you are creating this sales funnel or this particular funnel. You need to name them properly. So when you click create here, just name them appropriately based on what you want to use the funnel for. Make sure it's properly described, right? It's very descriptive so that you can understand what you are doing, because you're going to be having a lot of funnels in the future. Now, in case you miss this opportunity when you were creating the funnel, you still have another chance. And the chance is you come to these 3 dots here, right? Then go down. Don't click any of these options. Just go down. Come to this place. Go to settings. When you click on the settings, you will now have access to this option again, to name this funnel properly, right? Name it properly. After naming it properly, you will be able to now see the option, right? You'll be able to see all the stuff here, and you can start. After naming it properly, just click on save. So with that, you've been able to name your funnels properly and make sure they are descriptive enough so that when you see the funnel, you know what it means, right? You know what product it is. You know what services that funnel is all about. And if you can get that done, it will save you a lot of time when it comes to your productivity when dealing with Systemeio. So with this out of the way, let's go check for FAQ number 7.